Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. No, fuck, Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday. Oh, no, today's Thursday. Shit. Okay, yeah, today's Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hopefully, you guys had a good trading day. So, just gonna get into the recap real fast. Pretty simple trade. Didn't have to wait too long after open, which was good. Only on the charts for about an hour or so, which was nice. So, let's just go and get into the recap. So, if we look on the hourly time frame coming into the day, you'll notice this big ass candle right here. This is the 9 a.m. candle. So you'll notice a little bit before that we have this mitigation here, right? So we have this mitigation. Price trades lower down into this order block here. So we go in a 4 hour. You'll be able to see, or sorry, no, it is a 1 hour. This leg here, I'll mark this out. You could mark it on the 4 hour too. It's actually probably more clean on the 4 hour, but we hit that level there and bounced off of that, and that led us back up into this hourly mitigation. And pretty much from here, if you look at ES, NQ trades up above this high at 1 a.m. And if you look at the 1 a.m. high on ES, that high is not traded above at all. So we have an SMT there inside of that mitigation. So that basically is my key level that we have tapped. And now we have our SMT inside our key level, and obviously that is liquidity being swept. So we have those confluences in line with the drawn liquidity. Coming into the morning, I was a little bit more bullish because I did see this reaction. But after seeing this mitigation hold, at that point I was leaning more bearish. Basically, looking at that SMT inside the mitigation, you can look at the 2 a.m. candle as well and notice that ES didn't even come up and tap the 2 a.m. either. So you could look at that as two SMTs inside the mitigation. Either way, still bearish, very bearish signatures in price. So at that point, all I was waiting for really at this point, since we took the London highs into the mitigation with both SMTs, I was just waiting to see how we'd react off of this 1 hour fair value gap here. Because we do have a 4 hour, we have a 4 hour volume imbalance. So we traded through that, no problem. We just displaced through that. So my eye was just here. So I've had no entries coming into the morning over here. We just had a straight sell off, closed down through here. There was no setups at all. So we get the 1 hour closure right about here, and then the new 10 a.m. candle opens. So at this point, I'm just waiting for a retest of the hourly gap, right? Because here, I'm not getting any setups. We come up here, we dump, there's no setup, right? People might get FOMO to the low. I just want the hourly gap, right? That's what just makes most sense for me. And of course, price trades up into that and show respect for a while, for like a solid 5-10 minutes right here. So we show respect, and then we start to get a displacing candle, right? We get a wickless opening price here, which is technically good. We'll probably come back to this and wick it later, or give it a wick later on, I should say. And what I was looking at here, we had a 5 minute here, right? So we had a 5 minute, and I was looking as well, we had a 3 minute too. So if you look here, this candle closes at 10:27, and the new one opens at 10:30, right? So if this closes through, boom, 10:30 closes. That's the new 5 minute candle. So if the 5 minute candle closes, boom, 10:30 opens, or sorry, the 10:25, and then boom, the 10:30. So this closed through, and 10:30 opens here as well, and this already closed through. So at that point, that looked good for me. I waited for a closure below the 5 minute inefficiency, and pretty much just entered on the retest, and that was it. That's pretty much what the trade was. I entered on the top step eval a little earlier, so I saw that we inversed this gap here, and then pretty much I just entered here and just put my stop above there. Just entered a con and just left it to go down to the low. Entered earlier, but obviously on the lives I wanted to wait for extra confirmation, so that 5 minute CISD was clear enough for me. It worked out. We hit the previous week low, and now we are just accumulating, not really doing too much. So yeah, nice trade. 3 bands locked in on that one. If you haven't already, join the Discord. We call out all these signals every single day. We're banking. If you're not joining, you're just asking to be broke at this point. So do what you got to do. All right, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Should be a good day. Had a pretty damn good day today. But have a great day tomorrow, boys. Peace.